Wow, it looks great! Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Sister Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Today I'm doing pink food cooking! Yay! Well, I didn't say quarantine pink food cooking. This one could be regular pink food cooking because I'm not really using instant food. So let me show you what I did today. I made ta-da! Pink ombre layered crepe cakes. Isn't it pretty? It looks so good, right? Yeah. I was so craving for crepes, but you know, like so hard to get flour right now. Like all grocery stores are running out of flour. And when I went to Trader Joe's last time, I could still get this buttermilk pancake mix. So today I tried to make crepe-ish pancake-ish thing with this mix. First of all, please watch how I did. And I'm gonna taste it. So please watch. It's super cute. You cannot miss this. I wanna make some crepes, but I only have this buttermilk pancake mix today. So I don't know how it's gonna be like, but I will still try. Yeah, so let's start. So for pancake recipe with 1 egg, it says 1 cup and 3/4 cups. So let's put 1 egg, but let's mix. Yeah, the texture looks good, but actually I'm making like crepe layer cake today. Yeah, maybe it's not enough. I need some more. It should be fine, I think. So let's start from the lightest color, because that's easier to make. Turn on the heat. Oil. Yeah, we don't want to burn. It might get a little thick today because I'm using pancake mix. It looks weird, huh? I'm sure it will more look like pancake. I don't want to burn, I don't want to break either. Little bit messed up. Yeah, it's softer than crepe batter. I'm learning. It doesn't look that bad. So now, in the butter, I put a tiny bit of beet powder paste. So it's a beet powder with hot water dissolved. I put a tiny bit. Because I'm making ombre. You really didn't change the color. Okay, let's make one with this color. It's so breakable. Easy to break. It's gonna be like thin pancake. Yeah, this time got way pinker. Okay, let's make another one. Ooh, it's a cute brush color. Yeah, so this time it got a little pinker. Put more, even more. While I'm waiting, I'm already doing another darker pink tone. Saving my time. This color looks really cute. Just don't wanna burn, you know. Oh my gosh. It's a crazy Barbie pink. It's kind of too purple, huh? I don't like it. So I did all with beet powder. Yeah, that's why the color came out really purplish. What do you think? But maybe I can put cuter color, like cuter pink color cream maybe? I don't want to waste these, so I will keep going with this. So while I'm cooling down these fake crepes, pancakes, it's whatever I made, I'm preparing for other stuff. So let's cut some strawberries. I don't know how much I need, but let's see. I want to cut into like tiny dices. I think that's good because this strawberries are the darkest color compared to pancakes. It's gonna look good if I put on the top. And also, I have this pink chocolate from Japan. Let's put it in the fridge a little bit to make it a little hotter. And let's prepare whipped cream. The pancake is not that sweet, so I'm putting some sugar here. And I have to make it from super blush pink, like a really light pink. So let me put it a tiny bit. Is it too little? Yeah, maybe too little. How's this? Maybe for the first layer, just first layer, I can start from this. Yeah, let's start from this. And I can go darker later. Let's start from the lightest layer. Oh yeah, that's easier when you move the plate. The second layer. And then now I need to make this cream a little pinker. I could go a little bit pinker. I can totally see it's pinker, but maybe a little bit. Should I? No, let's start. Let's do it this. I am getting excited. When I was making pancake, I was not really happy because it didn't look good. It looked too purple, but I'll be fine. Okay, I'll put this layer and go one tone darker. Let's go pink. And put another layer. Now look like this. More layer. Oh, I need a pinker. Just put another layer. Sorry, I keep forgetting to switch the camera. I think when I cut it, will look cute. Yeah, this surface doesn't look cute, so I want to cover with cream. Actually, the cream looks really cute. Okay, and now I'm having pink chocolate here. So use the back side here. And it's really sharp, so be careful. So here, I will put some chocolate on the edge. Because the pancake itself is so simple, so I needed some chocolate or something, some topping. Yeah, and also it looks so cute. Okay, and now I put strawberries on the top. Oh, cute. This is the cutest thing ever. Should I put some more? Yeah, just like this. Ta-da! できた! I made crepe pancake pink ombre cake or whatever you call. Let's cut and let's eat. So let me cut this. Are you ready? I wanna see it. Okay. Oh my gosh! Wow, it looks great! Wanna see it? Ta-da! So I did this. Wow, when I was making, actually I wasn't really sure if it looked pretty or not, but look like it turned out great. Let me show you the inside again, because I know you want to see it, right? Isn't it awesome? This is crazy. Yeah, I just noticed it smells so good because I put fresh whipped cream with fresh strawberries today. It slid a little bit, but it's okay, I don't care. Beautiful layer. The surface of each crepe was not really pretty, but it looks great. Yeah, totally. せーの、いただきます. Yeah, so it's way thinner than pancake, but a little thicker than crepes. It's good, it's good. Since I used pancake mix, so it tastes more like pancake actually. And I'm so glad that I put strawberries and chocolate on the top. It's really good. So good. So good. I broke it. Yummy. So good. I never finish eating in the video, but this time I did. We're so quick finishing. I cannot wait for tomorrow's breakfast. I'm super satisfied. See, even when I'm not having flour, but I can still make some crepe-ish thing. Just be creative and don't be a hoarder. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have fantastic Barbie quarantine. Bye bye.